Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have another Canadian ration. Now this is menu number 2, scalloped potatoes and ham, and it is a breakfast menu from 2018. So let's have a close look at it and then we'll try it out. All right, let's have a close look at it. As you can see, it comes in this paper bag and it is lined with foil. We have the Canadian maple leaf. Now this is scalloped potatoes and ham. You also have it in French. This ration is from 2018, menu number 2, and this is a military ration, not for resale, yada. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on the sides. And we have a link to their Facebook page, and we have an IR code. If you guys want to scan that, go ahead and do it. And that's all there is to it. Let's open it up. And we're in. All right, let's see what we got. All right, we have a package of apple and brown sugar crunchy cereal. Very nice. We have a coffee whitener, and we have an espresso roast coffee. These are pretty good. All right, we have sweet and salty almonds. They're vacuum sealed. We have a package of raspberry jam. Not bad. Some Canadian sugar. We have some Frank's Red Hot. I put everything. And we have 2 packets of ice sports drink. It's awesome. We have some Canadian peanut butter. And of course we have the hamburger bun or pain. We have the Canadian beverage bag with the gusseted bottom, a compressed towel or napkin, some Tic Tacs. And here we have the dessert, which is sliced apples, the famous Canadian napkin, which doubles as a blanket. And we have one of these sporks with a long handle. Very nice. And here's our breakfast, the scalloped potatoes and ham. Here are the ingredients, if you guys want to read that, and nutrition facts. We have some matches, pink tip, and that's it. And we have an original Canadian FRH or flameless ration heater to go along with it. So we're gonna use this. All right guys, there you have the entire contents of the Canadian IMP. And as you can already tell, there is a lot of stuff going on. We have a mains, a dessert, a couple of drinks, some cereal, some almonds, some bread, and a bunch of sides. These rations are very fun to try out. I highly recommend them. So let's get right to it. Let's begin. All right, let's heat up our main entree. We're gonna use the Canadian FRH, and we're gonna do a really quick montage. And it looks like it's activated. Let's close it up. And we simply take a rock or something. And we'll give it about 15 minutes. Now that is a really good FRH. It's putting out a lot of heat. Kind of puts the American FRH to shame. I hate to admit it, but it's a fact. All right, let's prepare some drinks. We have the iced sports drink and the espresso roast coffee. Let's begin with the sports drink. And we are gonna mix it in the bag. Got a nice press at the bottom. And there we have our ice powder. And we simply add water to the fill line, which makes it idiot proof. Yeah, looks about right. Close it up and give it a shake. And there's our ice sports drink. Looks nice and blue. And we're just gonna pour it in our cup. Having a name like Ice Sports Drink, you know, kind of makes it seem like it's ice cold, refreshing, I guess. All right, let's try it. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is actually pretty good. It's nice and sweet. Not sure what the flavor is. I'm not sure what ice flavor is, but it is nice and refreshing. And yeah, all right, let's make some coffee. And we're gonna use our foreignmre.com mug. Make sure you check them out. They have a lot of great stuff, lots of rations, lots of good stuff. Let's get our espresso roast coffee. There it is. Now this coffee is really good, but really strong. But if you plan on, you know, taking a nap or doing something other than staying awake, I suggest you don't drink this. See what it looks like. Yeah, it's freeze dried. We're gonna add our whitener or creamer. Why not? Oh yeah, that smell is just incredible. That coffee has a really nice scent to it. I would have to say this is one of the best ration coffees. It's got a really strong flavor. It's very rich. All right, let's give it a stir. Check that out. Oh yeah, that smell is just incredible. This coffee is literally a shot of espresso. It's really strong. Here we go. Yeah. That is some really good coffee. It's got a really nice, deep, rich, roasted flavor. It's very strong. It's a little bit on the bitter side, but it's just how it is. It's really strong coffee. Yeah, that will definitely keep you up. Definitely will keep you awake. I think I need another sip. Oh yeah. And we're gonna break out the tray. And we're gonna make some cereal. Now this is apple and brown sugar, crunchy cereal. And we're gonna add some cold water. And this appears to be some kind of rolled oats cereal. Let's give it a try. There it is. All right, here we go. It's pretty good. Let's try another bite. That is some really good cereal. It's got a nice crunch to it. It's got a hint of cinnamon. It's a little bit sweet, not too much, not too little. And it's got a nice milky flavor to it. It's excellent. All right, let's check out the hamburger bun. And this actually looks and feels like real bread, unlike that weird wheat snack bread. All right, so we have peanut butter and raspberry jam. Let's make some PB&J. Let's try some peanut butter. Looks nice and creamy. Yeah, it's pretty good, nice and creamy. Let's get some of this on our bun. And let's dump the rest in our cereal. Why not? Let's give this a try. Oh yeah, check that out. Looks like we have seeds inside. All right, here we go. Yeah, definitely sweet. Definitely tastes like raspberries. Slap it on here. And we'll dump the rest in our cereal because we can. All right, let's give the cereal another try. That definitely goes really well with the cereal, so definitely add your peanut butter and jam in there. All right, let's give this a try. There we have our PB&J sandwich. There we go. That is some really good PB&J. The bread just completes it. It just, you know, it's just like real bread. So there's nothing that could actually go wrong. All right, let's check out these sweet and salty almonds. I'm guessing this would be the sweet almond and these would be the salty ones. So let's try a sweet one. That's really nice. Let's try the salty one. Yeah, nice almonds. I like the sugar-coated ones, the sweet ones, more than the salty ones. But yeah, they're nice and crunchy and really good. And we're gonna check out the sliced apples, see what they're all about. And of course, it's by Baxter's. There they are, nice and fresh. Let's get that money shot. And we have some sliced apples. Let's give one a try. There it is. All right, here we go. Yeah, what can I say? They're sliced apples. They're nice and sweet. They do have a slight crunch to them. I'm sure that has everything to do with, you know, it being a little bit fresher, a little bit newer. Let's check out this compressed napkin. These are always fun to, you know, try out. And you have the Canadian leaf on both sides. Just add a little bit of water. And that's all we need. Check that out. And it's a pretty large napkin, nice quality. If you need to clean anything, your utensils, your hands, your face, this thing definitely will do the job. We'll just, yeah, we'll leave it here. All right, let's get our main entree. dry this off a little, right on our shirt. And here's our scalloped potatoes and ham. It feels nice and hot. All right, let's open it. Oh yeah, check that out. This is gonna be great. Let's dump it on our tray. Oh yeah. Let's make sure we get all that sauce, that cheesy sauce. And I'm a little bit surprised. Check out these big chunks of ham. That looks really good. Let's try it. Oh wow. That is really good. Now let's try the potatoes and creamy sauce. There we go. Wow. That is the bee's knees right there. Now that is a chunk of ham. And to show you what the inside looks like, there you can see it's actual ham. That is some really good ham. It's nice and tender, it's nice and juicy and flavorful. The potatoes are nice and firm, nothing mushy about them. And that sauce is just nice and creamy and buttery and cheesy. It's just amazing. It is well seasoned. This has to be one of the best breakfast menus, hands down. Let's spice things up. All right, let's try it with the Frank's Red Hot. Check that out. All right, here we go. It is really good with the hot sauce, but it does add a little bit of saltiness. It does kind of make the food a little bit too salty. Maybe tone that down or just eat it, salty and vinegary. That's the good stuff. Yeah, let's wash it down. And I think I will hang on to these. They're just Tic Tacs. It's just a minty like candy. Yeah, I'm just gonna save these. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was a Canadian IMP scalloped potatoes and ham from 2018. And this was menu number 2. Yeah, I gotta say this one was really good. This has to be one of the best breakfast menus I've had. I haven't tried all of them, but I will, so stay tuned for that. And on a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this an 8.2 out of 10. It's just excellent. Everything just goes well together. Scalloped potatoes and ham was amazing. These Canadian IMPs are a lot of fun. They're really good quality, so I highly recommend this one. If you happen to find it, make sure to pick it up. And if you like this type of videos, please subscribe. Make sure you hit the little bell and you'll be notified of any videos as soon as they come out. And if you want to help support the channel, help buy more rations and equipment, all for your entertainment, I do have a Patreon, so make sure you check out the link down below. And I just want to give a huge shout out to all my patrons like Marilyn and Jason, just everyone. I'll post them right here, and just want to thank you guys. Thank you so much for your support, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.